Hello folks, welcome to el canal del Chano Jose. Today I'm going to show you how to make your homemade disinfectant little towels like the ones we buy on the packages so we can carry them around. And so far it's tough times, so it's hard to find this kind of stuff, so we have to improvise. And I'm going to show you or share this how to make your own little kit so you can have it on hand, and you can always just refill it by using simple things that we have at home. And to start with that, the only thing that we need is a clear container, or depends on where you want to put them. So what I use is this clear container so I can put my towels in this container. And we also need Clorox. We need Clorox. This one says that it kills 99.9 of germs, disinfecting bleach, and it says that kills flu viruses, E. coli, and salmonella. So with this said, this is about $3 right here, and you can find it pretty much in any store, cleaning supplies. And also what we're gonna be mixing is 2 cups of water, which is 1 full water bottle, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Clorox. So 1 teaspoon for 1 cup of water, and then every cup of water, which is 8 ounces, we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of Clorox. So if we use 2 cups, 2 tablespoons of Clorox. So that's how we're gonna mix our formula to have the disinfecting chemicals. So we're gonna use this plastic container because I'm not gonna put Clorox in this. So what I'll do, I'll put my water in this, two cups, so it's 1 full bottle, and then I'll put my Clorox, mix it, and then I'll put my towels right inside my container the way I want it. Some people might just want to put the roll in there. Some people might want to fold them, take their time, so it says need more packed in. So however you want to do it. And if the formula is too low, every cup of water add 1 tablespoon of Clorox. So if you need more formula, you make more, you add more. If you need more, you make more. So you don't make a lot and you end up with a lot of water, and then this thing didn't need much. So that's why I say 2 cups to start. If you need more, then you mix 1 more cup of water with 1 tablespoon of Clorox. You mix it and then you pour it in there, and then as you go, that way you don't start making too much of the solution. And then because you might want to just use a little bit of towels at the beginning, or you want to use a lot, so then depends how much formula we have to use. And I'm not representing, but I'm using this brand of Bounty, and this is the advanced, the quicker picker. And what I say about these towels is that you want to use towels that don't disintegrate with water. These towels, you can actually clean the sink or clean the tables, rinse it off, and then reuse it. That's why I'm using these towels. You don't want towels that become like toilet paper, where they just dissolve and you end up with just a gunk of paper, and you don't want to be doing that. You want to use towels that are gonna actually resist, and when you pull them out of the container with the solution, that they're actually one piece and you can use them and then get rid of it once you're done with it. You don't want to end up with a bunch of just paper floating on water. That's one thing, watch for that. You want something good, use something good. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna put our towels in, dry towels into this the way we want it. You put the roll in there, the fold them, however you want to do it. We mix the solution and we pour it into the container with the towels. And I recommend you get something that is threaded, or something that can stay sealed so it doesn't evaporate and they dry out. But if they do, you just can mix more water and more the same solution, and you can just refill it if that happens. That's the good thing about having this system, so you don't spend a lot of money. You can just, the most expensive thing about this is the towels, but the solution is the cheapest thing. So let's get started with this. So what I done, folks, I cut my towels 1 by 1, and I have set them on top of each other. And what I done, that's how I fit into the container, one on top of each other. So when they look like this, So when I want to pull one out, there's just in top of it another and another and another, because if I fit the roll right in there, it's a little harder to unroll it and pull out. So that's going to work better for me. It depends on how you want to do it. So now let's get the solution started, now that we have all our towels inside the container. So let's continue with that solution. Okay, folks, so now we have our water, 2 cups of water. So we're going to add our tablespoon of Clorox. So we get 1, 2. I'm gonna go half, so I got a stronger solution. We mix it up, and now we can add this water to our big container where our towels are. Okay, folks, so now we have our solution mixed, so we can add this solution into the container where our towels are being stored. So we start adding the water. So we let it soak into the towels, and we're gonna have to move it around so all the towels get uniform soaked or water into it. So that way every towel that we pulled out has moist and can be used to disinfect. Okay, folks, now that we have all our towels all uniform moist, so we go and open it. We get one out, and now we can clean and disinfect. And see, I pull harder and then it becomes weak. That's why I said don't overload the moist on this container. So all we want is just to get some moist. We don't want to get too much water into it. See, I'm squeezing it hard. So don't put too much, just get it moist, so when you pull them out, they don't destroy themselves, they don't come apart. And this is an easy way to make your own disinfecting towels at home. So hopefully you had enjoyed this video, and we'll see you soon with more videos here in el canal El Chano Jose.